Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change a default browser on Dell Rugged. To do this, first we'll need to click on the Start and move to the Settings. Inside, select Apps, Default Apps, now in Search Apps enter your browser application name. And in this case, let's go for Edge. Click on that app, and then in the top right corner of the screen you can see Set as a Default. Click on it and this browser should be changed to your default browser. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.